What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. We have Brooke and Ruru just came down from San Francisco. We wanted to say thank you guys so much for coming out and trusting us on letting us work on your Dodge Dart. We're gonna be working on some wrap and some install on her new components that she got with Duraflex. Let's go ahead and get started, show you guys all the highlights and move forward from there. As you can see, guys, Brooke just gave us her parts that she got with Duraflex. She went and go ahead and got two side skirts for the left and right side, the rear diffuser and the front lip for her bumper. Before we go ahead and apply the wrap that she got for us as well, we're gonna go ahead and primer everything and also primer the hood that she got, so everything is ready to go for wrap and give her a fresh look with the satin black hood and the new film that I won't just say yet. Alright guys, so today is Monday. We do have a due date for this car, so we have to complete it by Thursday before our clients have to go back up north. So we got to make sure we get on this real quick. We primer everything and ready to roll and go ahead and wrap everything for her. We're super excited. Again, thank you, Brooke, for the trust. We're super excited to be working with you. We can't wait to show you the final results. Dodge Dart full body kit wrapped and primer on airbags. We are so extremely happy with the outcome. Shout out to Brooke for giving us this opportunity. Let's dive into all the details, guys, show you the amazing work that's been done on this build. We are super happy and excited for the outcomes that the build came out for Brooke's Dodge Dart. As you guys see, it's on airbags. We went and go ahead and worked on with Duraflex. We primered and pre-fitted and cutted the kit so it can fit as best as possible with working with Duraflex, and on top of that we primered it and wrapped it. Let's dive to all the details, guys. We're super happy and excited to show you this, and it's one of our favorite to ever put our hands on when it comes to a Dodge Dart build. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into the front lip. As you can see, the front body kit lip has been primered and pre-fitted before it's been wrapped, and after that, as you can see, it's full on wrapped and giving it with a nice accent satin touch to it. This is a kit made by Duraflex. Duraflex is a good company to work with, but it requires a lot more labor and pre-fitting before we do any sort of styling job or work on their products. So therefore it had to be pre-fitted a little bit, pre-cut, and then after that we'll do all the amazing touches. But in overall, guys, it's an amazing wrap color. It's gonna make her car really stand out, and especially being on airbags. As you can see, guys, this is the hood as well that was purchased with Duraflex. It was fully primered and wrapped in the 3M Satin Black 2080. Not as much trouble as the Aero kit that she got, but the hood was simple. All we had to do is primer it. A little bit of work had to be done as well. There was a lot of cracking as well on it, but we were able to fix that to give her a nice flush wrapped fitment. Moving over to the side, guys, I'm really happy with the side skirts and how they came out with. This gave us a little bit of trouble on fitting. Again, with Duraflex, we do have to put in some extra time and work to make everything fit good with their product. But overall, I think she's gonna be really happy to see this with the job that's been primered and wrapped. It is full on wrapped, and we gave her a small little accent with underneath right there with a nice little black shade, just to give her a nice blend with the wrap as well. The rear diffuser, guys, as you can see, something that I'm really enjoying seeing the car adding this rear diffuser kit. Again, we decided to do an accent touch to her, so instead of wrapping the whole thing in the 3M film, we went and go ahead and accented the bottom piece to kind of give her a diffuser look, and on top of that, all outlines fully wrapped to give her a nice flush, clean fitment with it. One of my favorite touches that we just finished to add on, it wasn't done by us or made, but she had us do the Dream Big decal. It's a really cool detail on the fender right here, guys. As you can see, there's some drawing done inside of it, and it spells out Dream with a nice signature Big. Shout out to Brooke for rocking this. Really, really cool. Dodge Dart, guys, full on airbags, got the body kit wrapped, satin black, the Dream Big decal, those amazing shiny gold wheels. Brooke's on a mission to build her car, guys, and we can't wait to finally go get her. Right now she's outside with Ruru to finally capture her reaction and let her see her car for the first time. She did come down with Ruru from San Francisco to go ahead and stay 3 days and have a good time in Orange County while we were working on her car. We did rush it for her, so make sure she gets priority to get this done before she had to go. So we appreciate Ruru and Brooke for taking the time to come down. We really, really, really appreciate you guys. Our staff and company is extremely thankful and blessed for this opportunity. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get Brooke and Ruru and capture their reaction. Ready? I think it's on the left. Is it on the left? It is, huh? Is it? I don't know. Is it on the right? We have too many cars.
Oh, it's on that side. Oh,
there it is.
Ta-da!
Oh, that's
a new car.
Yeah. Boom. There you have it. I mean, it looks really, really good. The outlines with the hood wrap, the contrast like we talked about in the middle, going over to the side. The Dream Big, I love this thing, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, like, this is dope. Like, I might even think about making automatic decals. Whoever made this, you guys see what
I'll give you the information.
Please, this is so personal. Like, it meant a lot when I was like putting this. Like, I felt it, you know, which is cool. All around. I gave you this little small accent on the bottom.
Okay.
I told you to keep it, you know, just keep it nice and simple. And then the back. Yeah. Now we gotta get you some piping to put in there.
Next week, that's what we'll do.
There we go. Make sure
Yeah,
I'll get some got you. Makes sense. Yeah.
So I was like, you know what? So then I found the guy to do the badges.
That's
and I was
perfect.
Like,
Yeah.
this
Nice.
Ruru to a Corvu.
Good, right? Ooh, I don't know. I don't know. So.
I came out good though.
Yeah, that's really cool. And then with the bag, definitely for sure. Gives it a touch. Looks nice. We go ahead and put everything on the grass just to go so we can show you guys the rest and move forward from there. Did that make sense? Alright guys, so we gotta get going. We got Thursday. There's no clock on my watch, on my wrist. God damn it. Action. What am I saying again?
You have a deadline.
I have a deadline, guys. Let's get going. Alright, bye. Let's go ahead and dive into all the details. Primer, the body kit, wrapped, full on and laminated. Thankful and blessed for this opportunity. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get Brooke and Ruru and capture their attention. All right, guys, you guys are ready?
Yes, I guess.
Yes.